So this is the texture image I'm going to use. So now the first thing I need to do is to rotate this image. So go to image, transform, and then rotate 90 degrees clockwise. And now I'm going to create a new layer. Click on this icon here, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. Select the gradient tool. My foreground is white, the background. So this is the HTML notation B8, B8, B8. Press OK. The shape of the gradient is linear and the gradient is FG to BG RGB. And now left click here and now trace your gradient. So I want the gray color to be in the bottom part. So I'm just going to left click here to reverse it. So here it is. So this is going to serve as the background, and now press enter. Place it under the texture layer, and now select the texture layer, and now I'm going to select the text tool, left click. The foreground is white, and now I'm going to left click here. I'm going to type my text. Control A to select all text, and now double click on the font here. I'm going to select Lobster 1.4 regular. So the font size, I'm going to increase it, I think, to 700. No. Let's go with 600. And now let's select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image. And now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now let's select the move tool here to remove the squares here from the alignment tool. Now press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. And now I'm going to create a layer group. Click on this icon here. Place your glitter text and the texture here, the gold texture inside. So I'm going to place the text inside layer group and then place the glitter texture inside the layer group, but make sure it is on top of the glitter text. And now I'm going to change the layer mode here of the texture to multiply. So since I have the text with white, so now let's add some styling here to the text. Select the text layer, go to filter, light and shadow, and then select bevel. And now left click on the bevel type. Let's select bump. Press the plus key here. So now I'm going to adjust the effect here. I'm going to reduce a little bit the radius. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. So now I'm going to select the background layer and then press the minus key on the keyboard to zoom out. And now let's select the layer group again. And now I'm going to make it look 3D. So in order to do so, I'm going to add the filters to the layer group instead of adding them to the text. So go to filter, map, and then select recursive transform. I'm going to increase the number of iterations here to 7. Check the past below. And now hold the control key and then scale down from this handle here to scale it from the right and left. So hold the control key and then scale it. So now I'm going to leave it like this and now press OK. And now I'm going to add the fading shadow, long shadow. Go to filters, light and shadow, and then select long shadow. And now left click on the color here and then change it to black. Press OK. And for the style, left click, I'm going to change it to fading fixed length. I'm going to increase a little bit the length and then reduce the midpoint. So I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. And now, for example, we can change the text. So select the text layer here, this one here, this one. Select the text tool. I'm going to select all the text. And now, for example, I will type another text. So this might take some time depending on your computer because of it's quite heavy. So let's type, for example, another text. You can also change the size. So let's type 500. So I'm going to change it to glitter. So here I'm going to change it back to 600. So I think I'm going to leave it here. So here it is. This is the layer group with the, if you left click here on the layer effects. So we have the recursive transform for the 3D and long shadow for the long shadow. So this is the texture image or layer. This is the glitter text. If I left click, it has only the bevel.